women? No, that would be women in their number. Okay, so then we're getting into a grammar thing, and that's English, and I'm even worse in English, so let's forget it. Okay, here's something we can use. A woman in a hard hat doing construction. I like those teachers wearing. Yeah, you know they have those at Rodville. I wouldn't mind being a model. You stand around all day looking perfect, and you get paid a fortune.
Yeah, but you can't eat anything because you get fat. And you can't stay out late because you get bags under your eyes.
Really? If I were a model, I guess I'd have to become less of a party animal.
Oh, right, like you're a real party animal.
Hey, I've had beer. Wrigley Field.
That doesn't count. You're with your dad.
Okay. Billy Sperry.
Get out of here.
I had beer with him when?
Oh.